Alright, I'm pretty excited about this. This is our first install underneath the Rochester subway, and the date is May 11th, 2020. This is where we have to come in from the road in the Gannett newspaper parking area. Then we have to come through this door into the subway, and it gets a little tight in here. Got crews working already, shoring everything up. Then we have to back through this area and head up this way. Here's the roll-off truck. We just got done unloading the vac box. And there's the vac box and the filtration system area and our service truck. And I'm going to walk you around this way to where we got the pump line. This must be the southbound lane versus the northbound lane where we set up when the railway was running. And right now we are under the Rundell Library on South Ave, Broad Street. And here's our hose line running down this wall. Then our submersible pump and our 2-inch line. That submersible pump and all this 2-inch line will get relocated into one of these drainage holes. One's going to be right here, and the other one over in that area. So that hose will swing over there to those two. And then it will suck out of the drainage pit, pump it through this pipeline all the way down that wall. And now we're on what is probably the platform area where the passengers would wait. And over here is the northbound lane. So we're going to pump down that 3-inch hose on the southbound lane into our setup down there, and it's gonna pump back out of our vac box down this discharge line into our check valve, and then up this hose line, which is going to go into that discharge port up there. But they'll make those connections. Continuing this way, it's probably going to get a little noisy. We have our poly tank where that 3-inch line is going into from the northbound lane, running along that wall. Then it's coming out of the poly tank into our crate pump, out of our crate pump into our carbon vessel, out of our carbon vessel into our BF unit, and out of the BF unit into the filtration box. Then when the vacuum box gets full, they'll suck out of that through the pump and back down that discharge line up into the discharge pipe up on the ceiling. And that's pretty much it. And here's our little setup. So we had lights down here. And overall, it was a great install. We had a good crew on this job, and everything went smooth. Thanks for watching.